speech topics in order to communicate, list down the communication situation, different speech contexts, and appreciate the importance of understanding and different types of speech contexts. What are speech strategies?
Speech strategies are techniques or methods that can help us communicate more clearly and effectively as well as translate and engage the person or people we are talking to. These strategies are very dependent on the next context, purpose, and audience. Then rise, a certain engagement that familiar connection between speech and social relations. In simple language, communicating competence is the knowledge of language and the ability to such as language appropriately in any given situation or circumstance. Oral communication is the process of verbally or non-verbally transmitting ideas or messages within or across the various context, culture, subject, and media.
Interpersonal communication. The personal communication that centers on person, where the speaker acts both as the sender and the receiver of message. Example, you spent the night thinking about how your teacher appreciated before submitting your project before date and you reflected on why this was so.
So, bali ng intrapersonal communication po, nakikipag-usap kayo sa sarili nyo, either sa salamin o sa diary nyo. Tapos po, parang nag-reflect kayo kung ano po yung mga ginawa nyo kahapon or kanina.
Interpersonal communication. Refers to communication between among people and establish personal relationship between and among them.
Yung interpersonal communication po, yun po yung may kausap kayo na kunyari kaibigan nyo, formal man po or hindi yung formal, basta makausap kayo or more than two, ayun po yung interpersonal communication.
Contextual, interpersonal context. Line communication. Refers to communication that occurs between two people, small group. Refers to communication that involves at least even no more than 12 or engaging in face-to-face interaction to achieve a desired goal. All participants can freely share ideas, improvement, comments, actions.
Public communication refers to community that requires you to believe or send the message before or in front of a group message. Can be driven by informational or persuasive purpose.
Yung public communication po, as you can see, parang kami, nagsasalita kami sa harap nyo, o kaya yung mga motivational speaker na nagsasalita sa iba, o kaya yung mga nagbibenta ng product sa mall, tapos pinapakita kung paano nila gamitin yung product nila sa harap ng maraming tao. That's public communication.
Mass communication refers to communication that takes place through television, radio, newspaper, magazines, books, billboards, internet, and other types of media. Ang mass communication naman, tumutukoy ito sa paghahatid ng mga balita gamit ang mga maraming television at radio newspaper. Organizational communication refers to communication that occur within organization such as corporations, non-profits, and governmental bodies. It includes both communication within an organization and public-facing communication. Ang organizational communication ay isang komunikasyon kung saan ang mga leader o namumuno ang nag-uusap para sa kanilang mga nais gawin. Kagaya ng mga intercultural communication refers to communication of different groups of varying cultures gathered in convey information correctly and skillfully in a manner acceptable to the group diverse opinions. Ang interpersonal